Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be checking out ZebOS 2. So ZebOS 1 was a build of ZebOS that we made. But anyways, we're going to be checking out ZebOS 2 now. So let's get started. So here he is. Here's a nice little new boot screen, as you can see. This was made with two more developers. We got Owen G and we got Autorite Designs. Obviously, yep, Autorite Designs worked on this a bit. So yeah, here we have our ZebOS 2. It looks much more better than the original ZebOS, obviously. So yeah, the first thing we're going to be checking out is the start menu. As you can see, we have the start menu. It looks pretty nice. We have a start menu. As you can see, we can check out system info. ZebOS 2. Oh, there's a bug here. It's just a beta. Codename undefined. The Zeb kernel. It has a resolution, which is wrong, I guess. It has the Chrome version, and it has uptime, which is really nice. You can minimize, you can maximize, all that good stuff, and you can close, obviously. So let's go into the activity center. Here is the activity center. You can see that it is really nice, and the activity center, you can obviously run things like the activity center again. You could run the Zeb Explorer. Exploring, guys, we're exploring it. It's an exploring series. Okay, now ZebOS. My computer, ZebOS system storage and virtual media. Here it is. We got Zeb32. We obviously cannot open it. What the heck does the no button do? They just, I don't know. They don't do any drivers. We can go to mouse.zdl. Low-key, we should make an opener. We should make something. We can change the icons, obviously. Really nice, we can make a brand new folder if you wanted to. Call it a new folder. Make a brand new text document called E. I don't know. You could save. Okay. I don't know if the save actually works, guys, okay? Refresh. We're going to continue refreshing. And apparently it doesn't work. Okay, new folder, E. And, okay. Nothing saves. That's a bit of a bug I'm getting. We're going to fix that in Service Pack 1. Okay. So as you can see, we've got stuff like the text editor, obviously. Apparently you suck is there. That's crazy. Zeb terminal has a terminal. We've got help. Okay, you can see we've got all of this stuff. We can CD, we can LS obviously. Ooh, I wonder what matrix does. Wait, there was a matrix thing. We can do matrix. Oh, that is super cool. That is cool. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, that's cool. I didn't make this one. Someone else did. Okay, we're gonna close out of Activity Center. We got a calculator, which is a better version of calc, I'm guessing. I mean, yeah, obviously. We got 1 plus 9. It equals 10. Okay. We've also got a scientific calculator, and we've got a standard calculator, obviously. So that's cool. You can make a minus or positive, all that stuff. We've got a camera. We have to allow it to use our camera. But there's our camera, guys. There it is. But anyways, we have chess, which is chess. I don't know. I've never new game. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna do that. Okay. Do go. I don't know how to play chess, guys. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna do that. Okay. Cool. Wait, it's my turn. Oh, okay. Look, I'm gonna make another game for Service Pack 1. It's gonna be so cool. I think we lost. Yeah, I think we're cooked. Yeah, we won. I mean, we lost. My bad. Yeah, so we won. I mean, we lost, obviously. Uh, yeah, that sucks. We got the system info thing. We're probably going to replace this in Service Pack 1. Text editor, we got E, which is, oh, okay, it's saved to the desktop. Okay, so, yeah, we've got the Zeb Explorer, as we know, you saw the Zeb Explorer. Okay, these don't work. We're gonna add that in Service Pack 1. Cool.txt is hello, obviously. That's not, I don't even know if that's included by default. That's a random folder that just opens S. We got a media player, so we can open up a brand new media file if we want to. So let's say that we want to open up I asked AI to make an exploring video. We can play it, guys. It looks so simple. But anyways, we can watch a literal exploring.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another
really
video.
nice.
And in today's video,
exploring series video.
remember using when upgrading from an earlier build, so that's a bit of
do that. So yeah, we've also got our minesweeper. So yeah, we can. Okay, that's 2. Oh, okay, we cleared a large amount. There's 3 there. 3 up. Okay, we're gonna just speed run this, guys. What if we just continue randomly clicking in different places? Up. Okay. Oh, it's probably there. Okay. Oh, it's probably. Oh, okay. My gosh, guys. Okay, we got that. We've also got Paint Studio, which you can draw with, I guess. Well, yeah. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. There, there, and there, and there. Okay, there we go, guys. Look at my awesome art. Let's also add like a little wave thing. Let's add a square. And let's add a blue square. There we go. And we can add a circle as well. We can add let's add a red circle with a red outline. And for a filled circle, we'll do purple. Okay, yeah, let's do purple. Guys, look at my awesome art. Yeah, guys, my save to ZebOS. Oh, we can save to ZebOS. So we can save it as artwork. We can also save to our PC. So that's nice. So yeah, I could save this to my computer. I'm gonna call it artwork.png. Seems really nice, you know. Okay, now I should download the thing. I think it downloaded it. Yep, there we go. I downloaded it. Let's open it. I'm gonna actually open it. Let's see if it actually opens, and let's see how cool it is. And let's see if it kept our awesome drawing. See, it should work. There we go. So yeah, here it is. Here's my awesome drawing, everybody. My awesome PNG. Okay, we're gonna close out of that. Paint Studio version 2.7. Nice. Okay. We've also got Snake. Again, once again, we have Snake. Oh my gosh, Snake is kind of broken in this. Okay, we can do that. We can do that. Oh my gosh, no, no. What are we just doing? Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Oh my gosh, no, that almost got us. That almost, okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Where did it, oh, okay. For a second, I couldn't see it because, you know, the snake was actually drawing itself on it. You know, service pack, no. That doesn't seem fair. You have to actually collect it with the green square. There we go. Now, one thing that I have to say is that when you get way too big, you have to actually be careful because, you know, you could actually lose just by just going around. Okay. Okay, come on. Come on. There we go. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. I need to fix this, and it needs to be a pop-up. We'll fix that later in Service Pack 1, maybe. We got Solitaire, which I don't know how to play. How do we even play this? I'm guessing we just do that. We put it here. What do we do? I guess we do a new game. 9. I don't really have anything. 4. I don't know how to play Solitaire, guys, okay? I really don't know. Okay, so we got Task Manager, which is Task Manager. Can we end all of these tasks? We can't end those tasks, obviously, but we can end Task Manager, and it will just close itself. Obviously, we saw the Zeb terminal. You know all the Zeb terminal, guys. It's a Zeb terminal, and with the Zeb VM Manager, we got Service Pack 1 here. We can power on Service Pack 1. Oh, oh, oh yeah. That just boots up ZebOS 2. But cool, guys, cool. We can run ZebOS 2 inside of ZebOS 2. Wait. Oh, we could do something really cursed. Oh my god. Oh my god. How many of these can we do? Apparently it's a widescreen. It's a widescreen. It is a widescreen. Okay. Can we run ZebOS Classic? Obviously, we cannot. But anyways, we can run ZebOS inside of ZebOS, so that is really nice. But we're also going to be checking out some of the other stuff like the personalization. Yes, you can personalize stuff. You got classic teal, ZebOS blue, slate gray, emerald green, cyber purple, and matrix black. Or you can set a custom color, which is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be setting it like that. You can make it a gradient. Oh, that looks pretty nice. You can make it a DOS pattern. That looks pretty cool. You can make a diamond pattern, or you can make a dot matrix. We're gonna be doing the gradient because that looks really nice. But it looks kind of modern, to be honest. So we're actually gonna be doing the DOS grid pattern. Actually, no, I think the diamond pattern just looks better in my opinion. There we go. We can also have appearance. We can have a better theme. We got high contrast. We got retro rose, emerald desktop, which is what we're going to be doing. Emerald desktop, obviously. And then we got settings where we will check rounded window corners. As you can see, that looks nice. And who likes this, guys? It looks so good. We've also got properties. We can go into desktop properties. It shows us this. Apparently, it still says 2.7 beta. That's a bit of a bug, isn't it? Anyways, there's a bunch of other cool stuff, obviously. We have run, which opens here. And we can open WinVer, which just opens there, even though it's WinVer. And you press Shift R to open. We've also got reg edit. Yes, we have a registry editor. Here's registry editor, guys. So we got HKey current user, desktop, sound, auto hide, all that stuff. Background. Oh wow, you can actually modify this stuff. Okay, we can set it to solid. Ah wow, look at that, guys. We can change the values just like registry editor. That is actually crazy. We got taskbar, auto hide. You can set this to 1. Then it will auto hide the taskbar. Or you can set it to 0. And then taskbar comes back. Identity. We can go rootwick. As logged in before. Always show setup wizard. We can make this 1 if we want to. HKey local machine. We got ZebOS version. We can't change that apparently. We cannot change the code name, obviously. Build, we cannot change that. Skip boot animation, disable kernel, and system, which is current user and uptime. So, yeah. Anyways, that's pretty crazy. Anyways, we can also boot. So, okay, shut down. It just doesn't do anything. Okay, so let's say that we want to, as you can see, press Control Shift R. There we go. We are now in the ZebOS recovery mode, where we have backup and restore and stuff. We can download a backup of our full files and settings, and we can obviously restore our backup. So we're going to call it ZebOS backup.json. And let's say that we want to reinstall ZebOS. We also got some system flags like auto enter developer mode, skip boot animation, so setup screen on boots, disable auto hide taskbar rounded corners. And we got the shell, obviously. This you can just get the CLI if you want. You could have the nice matrix thing. Pretty nice. So yeah. But let's reinstall ZebOS. Yes, we would like to reinstall ZebOS. Click continue to ZebOS to continue. And as you can see, we are now at the lock screen. This is what you get if you just set up for the first time. You can change what happens. You can change this. You can add, this. And then you can add a password. Let's do ABCDEFG. Get started. And as you can see, everything has been reset. All of our settings have been reset. But we can also boot into this. And, well, we can go back and we can go and upload our files. And we can go into our this. And then we can search up ZebOS. And then get our backup, restore complete, and then we can continue to ZebOS, and just like that, boom, we have our files. So yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, before that, like the video, comment down below, do all that good stuff. Blame London and Northeastern Railway for all your Windows problems. I'm 7Zeb, and I'll see you in the next video.